Stop ruining expensive steaks. The secret isn't just buying premium beef, it's knowing how to cook it. Today, I'm sharing 5 proven methods that chefs use to achieve a juicy, flavorful steak every time. Method 1. Start with room temperature steak. Take your steak out of the refrigerator 30 to 45 minutes before cooking. This helps it cook evenly from edge to center. Method 2. Season generously. Pat the steak dry, then coat both sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A dry surface creates a rich, golden brown crust through proper caramelization. Method 3. Use high heat first. Whether you're using a cast iron skillet, grill, or heavy pan, preheat it until it's very hot. Sear each side for 2 to 4 minutes, depending on thickness, to lock in flavor and develop a delicious crust. Method 4. Finish with butter and aromatics. During the final minutes, add butter, crushed garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme. Spoon the melted butter over the steak repeatedly to build incredible flavor and keep the meat moist. Method 5. Always let it rest. After cooking, place the steak on a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, giving you a tender, juicy bite instead of a puddle on the plate. Bonus tip: use a meat thermometer instead of guessing. Perfect steak is all about temperature, not time. Master these 5 methods, and you'll cook restaurant-quality steaks right in your own kitchen. If you love cooking tips that actually work, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how do you like your steak cooked.